Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to get build separate network speed monitor with the NowBar feature in Samsung smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as NowBar Meter. And the first you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now I'll see here releases, just click on it. I'll just scroll down below again. I'll see here nowbarmeter.apk. So I need to download this .apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me click on this open. Now just click on this install. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, you can see this kind of user interface. So you can see here the background execution restricted. So just tap on it, click on OK, click on start. Now click on this request and fix, click on allow. Once again, click on the start. So now just minimize it. Now you can see here the build separate network speed monitor is showing up. So if you tap on it, you can see here a plotting network speed monitor shows up. So you can clearly see. So now let us go to the lock screen and check if it has our NowBar features or not. So let me go to the lock screen. So now you can see here the network speed is showing up even in the lock screen. So it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application, you can easily get build separate network speed monitor with the NowBar feature in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.